Where do they come from?
He calls them.
What you see when two drakes love each other very much.
Shut up.
The male first self-license the female's egg.
Get that dragon, little Jonah. Get it.
Stewie told us such a good idea. Let's call down the dragon who breathes fire on the collapsing bridge of doom. Don't stand in fire. Don't stand in midair.
Did you get that, Jonah? Did you get that?
It's okay. I saw this on TV once. I think we're good as long as we don't look down.
Ready for this next pull, Jonah?
Yeah, sleep. Sleep pull.
How will you get this
Kill stuff. Kill it.
Ready? Are you ready? Oh! Is he causing you to jump?
I don't get it.
Jonah, you need to be more rate aware. Breaking my pee-pee hooker. Kill stuff.
Uh-oh.
What?
What happened there?
He's going to town. Say hi. I sure do that channel thing I can't cast.